Example number 7. In example number 7, okay, so look at this rule. If left-tailed, then whatever the area, that's the answer. If right-tailed, 1 minus level of significance, and if that is two-tailed, 1 minus the level of significance over 2. Now, again, since we have this table, it's either you will use the table at the back of your book or you can use this table provided to you. Okay, so let's have an example. Find the critical value and rejection region of two-tailed test. So, two-tailed test. Okay? Given the level of significance is equals to 0.05. Okay, so now it's already here that we have 0.05 and two-tailed test is positive, negative 1.96. So you can just write here, draw positive and negative. So this negative 1.96 from our answer on the table, and this is 1.96. Draw a shaded region and another shaded region, and that's it. Okay, so that is your example number. This one is example number 8. Two-tailed. Okay, but in example number 7, so example 7, so we have a critical value. It says here to the left, so left, and the level of significance is 0.01. So just go here, 0.01 is here, and left is negative 2.33. Okay, so again, draw. This is negative 2.33. And to the left is just draw a shaded region. This is what you call the rejection region. And that is the final answer. Okay, so now let's go directly in example number 9.